They're chicken. Come on, birdie, birdie, birdie. Who's on video? Who's
oh my
video?
God. Ah!
Come on, birdie, birdie.
There's a crow down there.
Right next to the eagle?
Right next to the eagle, yeah. Anyone? Takers?
Oh, yeah, look
Uh-oh.
at the crow. Oh. He's like, I'm going for the unattended stuff first.
Unattended.
Until he chews it and then spits it out.
Yeah.
And then he'll come back for the hamburger bowl.
He's like, yeah, that stuff tastes like crap. Oh my God, there's one like way up there.
Back around. Come on, baby.
Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming! Ah!
That's really unlike them.
They're starving.
Someone's coming.
It's off season. Of course, we'll be down here tomorrow and these things will be hovering overhead looking for food.
Whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Oh, my God. They're chicken shit.
Here it comes. It's kind of like the wave. Don't
I know
take
I'm
your
getting
eyes off.
shit
He's
on.
coming, he's coming.
I know I'm getting shit on. I just
I
know
haven't
it.
taken a shower yet, at least.
Yeah.
Oh, don't stop. I think they were coming.
Oh, let's let them come and get some food.
Yeah. All by themselves. There we
That would have
go.
been so cool to watch.
One.
Hi.
Yeah.
I swear he just said hi to me.
I'm sure he did.
Hi. Hi. Birdie.
I'll
Oh
do
my
it.
God.
I'll do it. The freaking thing will bite me.
Yeah.
Look, I don't have my phone here.
Here, pussy, pussy, pussy. Here, pussy, pussy.
Oh, here comes the pussy.
Here, pussy, pussy. You know, as soon as it comes near me, I'm just going to drop
Watch
it.
out for the bald eagle.
It's going to get you.
How come the pterodactyls aren't coming?
But they're probably.
They only like fish.
You gotta hold it up higher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Come on, baby.
let them take it out of your mouth.
Yeah.
Put the bun between your two front teeth.
I don't think so. I'm not scared of my fingers.
Oh my God. I
They
know.
all want it.
I just don't want to get shit on.
They all want it. You know they want it.
Oh,
No.
they're fighting down on the beach. Look at the crow sitting right on top of the light there. Oh, he just moved. He's like, yeah, wait for you fools to leave.
It's getting too soft. I can't keep it up much longer. No, it's kind of starting to wilt.
You know you want it.
You know you want it.
I'm waiting for one to go.
He wants to shit right on our heads.
Yeah. It's a matter of time.
Look at the huge one down on the beach.
I know I want that one to have it. But it probably can't lift itself off the ground.
Oh, bring it to him.
Okay.
Oh, I bet he's coming.
Seriously, does he fly?
He's coming. I think they're getting their cousins together. It's not even stale. It's fresh. That's why it's not.
Hamburger buns for
Together.
everybody.
No.
Come on, hamburger buns. Hand it to him now. He's the one that's sitting there. Here, come on.
Here, pussy, pussy. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Alfred Hitchcock. The birds.
I need my camera. I really need my
Oh,
camera.
that's too many of them now. I'm a little scared. Because as soon as all that bread's gone, they're gonna all. Yeah. They're all gonna come after me.
I want the one on the beach you have. So go bring some down here, Jen.
I'm sorry. I
You're
know
the
I'm going to
walker.
disturb
Yeah.
you, but I got to go get my phone, okay? You're not scared of nothing, are you?
It's a little freaky when they all come together.
All right, that's